Welcome to Biology Easy channel. உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. First of all, thanks for subscribe my channels. ஸோ நாம் அன்றைக்கி நீட்டுக்கு வந்து சில இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்ருக்கோம். ஸோ நாம் இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் வந்து ஒன் ஆஃப் த லிவிங் வேர்ல்டுலேருந்து சில ஒரு 50 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தரலாம்னு இருக்கிறோம். ஸோ அதனால் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணால் பாருங்கள், ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸோ ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ இந்த கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீசிஸ்னு ஒன்று இருக்குது. அதில் வந்து எப்படி நிறையா கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கு தான் எப்படி எழுதுறங்கிற சொல்ல ஐடியான்னு சொல்ல போகிறோம். ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி ஒரு 50 மாடல் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கொடுக்குறோம். இதை வந்து ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் நல்லா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்துட்டு உங்களோட நல்ல எக்ஸாம் எழுத எங்களோட வாழ்த்துக்கள் தெரிவிச்சுட்டு கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Which two of the below given points are known as the twin characteristics of the growth? ஓகேங்களா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஏ. ஓகேங்களா. ஏ அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன். ஓகேங்களா. செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் பாருங்க. In plants growth occurs dash, whereas in animals it occurs dash. Second question answer is B, continuously only up to certain age. Third question, match the following. The third question answer is here B, A4, B2, 4C, and third C third and D is a 1. Okay, that's all only B 2 and 5 coming. Okay. Fourth questions, the statements nothing lives forever yet life continuous illustrate the role of. Fourth question answer is here D, reproduction. Okay. Fifth questions, which one of the following groups consist of organisms which multiply by fragmentations? The fifth one answer is here C, fungi, phloem and algae, protonyma of moss. Next, sixth questions, which one of the following organisms does not reproduce? Sixth already you know very well. Answer is here D, all of this. Okay, does not reproduce. Which one of the following organisms does not reproduce? Okay, all of this. Seventh questions, read the following statements and select the correct options. Statement 1, reproduction cannot be considered as defining property of living organism. Statement 2 is here, there are many living organisms which do not reproduce. Example, mules, worker bees, etc. You know very well. Seventh answer is here A. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Okay. Eighth questions, which one of the following statements regarding is a response of living organisms to external stimuli is correct? The eighth answer is here D, all of this. The ninth one, read the following statements and correct the correct ones. The ninth question, read carefully. The increase in mass of increase the number of individuals are twin characteristics of growth. Metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside the body in isolated cells free systems. Response to stimuli is a defining property of living organisms. The ninth one answer is here D. The 10th question, a living organism is unexceptionally differentiated from a non-living structure on the basis of. Answer is here responsiveness. Questions, which one of the following sets does not contain defining characteristics of living organisms? The 11th one answer is here A, growth and reproductions. And 12th questions, which one of the following is the correct representation of organization's level in living being? The 12th one, the answer is B, atomic, molecular, subcellular and cellular and tissue, organ system and individuals. 13th questions, dash is a branch of science dealing with identifications, nomenclatures and classification of organisms. 13th answer is here D, taxonomy. The first steps in taxonomy is here. 14th question answer is here identification of organisms. 15th question, ICBN is here. ICBN is here the abbreviation of the dash. The 15th question answer is here International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Answer is here B. Questions, the founder of biochemical nomenclature was. 16th answer is here A, Linnaeus. The 17th questions, which of the following hold true for scientific nomenclatures? The 17th answer is a B, naming of particular organisms by the same name all over the world is here 17th answers. 18th questions, most names in biological nomenclatures of living organisms are taken From which language? 18th question very important for the examination point of view. Answers Latin. B is a correct answers. The 19th question, plants were given Latin names because it is a dash. 19th question answers is C, the dead language. Okay, in the binomial system of taxonomy developed during the 18th century by the C. Linnaeus, the second would upon organisms biological name represent. The 20th question's answer is here. A. Species is very important. Okay, the 21st questions. The 21th. Which one of the following statements regarding the universal rules for the biological nomenclature is incorrect? The 21 question read thoroughly. The 21 answer is here. D. The 22. The select the correctly written biological or zoological name. 22 answer is here. B. Okay. 23. Select the correct option of the biological names. 23 answer is here. D. All of this. The 24. The scientific name of Bernians is written as a Ficus bengalensis L. Which one of the following statements is here correct regarding this? The 24th. The answer is here. C. Letter L signifies the taxonomist Linnaeus. 25. The third name of the trinomial nomenclature is here. 25. The C is a subspecies. 26. Which one of the following are the basic process of the taxonomy? 26 answer is here both A and C. C is the correct answers. The 27. The main objective of the plant taxonomy is here. The 27 answer is here. D. All of this. The 28. The main purpose of the classification of organism is to. The 28 answer is here. C. Establish relationships amongst organisms. The 29. Who wrote the species plant term and provide as a basis for the classification of plants? 29. The answer is A. Carolus Linnaeus. 30th questions. Carolus Linnaeus belongs to the dash. 30 answer is here. C. Sweden scientist. The 31. Which one of the following books was contributed by the Linnaeus? The 31 answer is A. System Naturae. 32. The internationally recognized binomial nomenclature was developed by Linnaeus in his book. The 32 answer is A. Philosophia Botanica. 33. So the Linnaeus distributed the 5,900 species of the plant in his book 1753 and 4,326 species of animals in his book 1758. 33 answer is here. D. Species Plantarum System Naturae. 34. An English naturalist who wrote the book Historia Generalis Plantarum are introduced to the world species was. 34 answer is here. John Tree. Match the following one with the column 2 and select the correct options from the codes given below. 35 answer. Guess. 35 answer is A. 35 answer is here. A. 36. Which one of the following statements is incorrect regarding the modern taxonomy? 36 answer is here. Species is considered to be a static. 37. A taxonomic category refers to the dash. 37 answer is here. B. A rank up level in a taxonomic hierarchy. 38. A ascending or descending arrangement of the taxonomy categories is called. 38 answer is here. C. Hierarchy steps. 39. The term taxon is used to. Answer is D. Any rank of the taxonomic hierarchy. Which term can be used for any taxonomic rank? 40 answer is here. B. Taxon. 41. Basic unit of the smallest basic unit or smallest taxon of classification is. 41 answer is here. A. Species is very important. One more question. 42. The basic unit of upon which is the systems or classifications are based in. 42. A. Species. Which one of the following statements is not correct? 43. C. Classification is a branch of biology that deals with the principles and procedures of the identification and nomenclature of organisms. Okay. 44. Amongst all the kingdoms, the only taxon that exists in the nature as a biologically cohesive unity is said as 44. The answer is A. Species. 45. A true species consists of a population which is B. Interbreeding. In biological terminology, a group of similar organisms which are capable of interfering any and producing fertile offspring is called. The 46 answer is A. Species. Manjibara is a dash. You know very well. It's very interesting questions. B. Genus. A genus is a group of similar and related. 48 answer is here. C. Species. A collection of species which bears the close resemblance to one another in the morphological characters of the floral parts is known as 49 answer is C. Select the incorrect statements with respect to the category genus. The 50. The answer is a genus essentially possesses more than one number of species. Okay. Thank you.